my creatives, and welcome to another video. So today I'm here to share a Your Creative Studio unboxing, and I'm also going to journal in my personal journal with the contents of this box. Now, to be upfront with this, Amanda from Your Creative Studio sends me these boxes and asks me to do an unboxing on my YouTube channel and add her information down below in the description box. So if you are interested in this box, Amanda, her website is down below in the description box. That's the only thing she asks. I do my journal with me because I like to use the box. I like to work with this box and I would love to share with you what you can do with it. I take this box because I absolutely love it. And now, without any further ado, let's go into this box. So I have the July box here and I'm very excited to see what is inside. So let's see. Ooh, I love the card. The card says, "Don't worry, I will be here holding you tight." Oh, that is so nice. And then there is a thank you note in there. That always looks very nice. I love this note. Then let's open it up. Let's see. Oh, yes, I love this. I already hoped, because it was on the thank you card, that there would be binder clips in there. Love these. These are amazing. Oh, absolutely, absolutely amazing. Love them. And I use them all the time to keep my journals open or to make new junk journals. So I absolutely love, love, love these binder clips. Next up is, ooh, the washi tape. I always get excited when there is a washi tape. As you know, I love washi tape a lot. So let's see what is inside this one. Ooh, oh yes, I love it. It also has the binder clip on there. I will give you a better look on this washi tape. Love the design. It is very, very cool. I love it. And it is not anything that I have, so I absolutely love that. Then next up, here is a cling stamp. So let's see what is inside this. Is it a binder clip? Oh, I love these. Yes, it is one vintage looking binder clip. And then we have, I think this is somewhat or a label or an ornament. I'm not quite sure, but I do very, very much like them. Very, very much like them. Absolutely beautiful. Then next up is more cling stamps. So let's open this one up as well. Ooh, we also have a big one. I also very much like this. I think this will look very, very cool in your journal as a decorative piece. Very, very cool. Next up is this sticker packet with washi stickers. So there are tons of washi stickers in this. I absolutely love it. It's very cool. Love the vintage look. I'm going to show you the back side so you can see what is inside. Usually you get 2 of each, so that's also very, very cool. I love this. Very much love this, and I can also share these with some of my pen pals and my friends. Then we have this very cool sticky notepad from Your Creative Studio. Also love this very, very much. Then we have a notepad. So let's check that out. A vintage notepad. And in this vintage notepad, we get... Ooh, okay, I very, very much love this. Oh, yes. Oh, and there are different designs. Okay, so I do very much love this. I love the neutral color scheme. You can use these with layering pieces and almost with any journal page simply because they are so neutral. So I very, very much like this. There are 3 designs. You get lots of each design. Then we also have some purple clear stickers with some lavender. So it's nice to have a pop of color with all that neutral looking embellishments. Like this very much. Then we have a paper packet. 60 pieces. So I think these are all papers you can collage with. Oh yes. Oh yes, these are all vintage looking papers you can collage with. I love this. Absolutely love this. This makes me very, very happy because I can use this on so many pieces. And these are great layering pieces. I can see me using them in my junk journal or on a snail mail or in my art journal. These pieces are amazing. Absolutely love it. Yes. I very, very much. And as you can see, there is a lot in there. Absolutely love this. So this, I very, very much like this. Then next up, oh, we have another binder clip. Cool. Then we have another stamp set, and this is with sticky notes and binder clips. I love it. They're so cool and so versatile. I can use this for everything. I can use these sticky notes on like everything. Absolutely love, love, love this. Then we have a sticker sheet from Your Creative Studio with these binder clips, and Amanda, her sticker sheet is always clear stickers, so that will look amazing. I absolutely love these stickers, and I used up all of the ones that I had, so I'm very happy that I can use some more binder clip stickers because they look so cool on everything. And then last but definitely not least, we have some vellum sheets, and they are always amazing. I always love the designs of the vellum sheets. They are always very, very cool, and I can't wait to journal with this. Super excited about it. So that is the unboxing for the July Your Creative Studio box. Now I'm going to journal in my personal journal. I don't know what I'm going to journal about, but we will see. So I hope to see you in the process. If you like this video, I would love it if you'd give me a thumbs up. I would also love it if you'd consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Put the notification bell on all notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. You can also become a patron of mine and see more of this journal and other journals and me painting. You can find the link for that down below in the description box. It would help me out a lot. And now, without further ado, let's get into the process.